Nice ripple coming on the water now. Slowing down the retrieve, and there we go. Yeah, I sped it up there for the last cast. Then I went in, slowed it down, and I got a take. Beautiful take. I think I have a double hook up here actually. I have. So I have one on the dial back, I have one on the common. Beautiful. Two of them are well hooked. I'll try and get this fella in. I left my net back on the bank. He's gone back safely. And now we'll finish off with the other fella. He's gone in behind me. And that's a nice bit of fun. Double hook up. Nice early morning action with the cuckoo in the background. What more could you ask for?